Hello and welcome to Ninja Sauce. On today's video, we're going to look at how we can edit product information. So first of all, we click on the three lines and then we navigate to products and then we navigate to the list of products from the products sub menu. Here you can see different filters that you can use in order to better optimize your product. But in this case, we will focus on a specific product and then we search either by SKU, either by product name. So let's quickly search that. The product that we have just added in our previous video. Here you can see action column and action button that is presented in each column of every single row of product. You can click on that and then we open the edit link. It will open up the product information. Here you can see product name, SKU and different. For instance, on this occasion, if we have a price change of a product, so instead of 250 it has decreased to 230, so we type over here, so 230 without tax and 250 and then 250 with tax. So we hit that and then we click on update. An alert message will pop up that will show you that you have successfully changed the price of that very product. So that's all for today's video. Thanks a ton for watching and have a great and blessed day.